day, sir, madam. I am Evelyn Mercado, 34 years old. I am single, and I have no children. My father's name is Eduardo Mercado. He is 60 years old and not working. And my mother is Leonora Mercado. He is 61 years old and also not working. My brothers is, I have 5 brothers and 1 sister, and I am the eldest among the 7 siblings. I graduated at STI College in 2003, and I worked at electronics company for almost 12 years. And now I am currently looking for job abroad.
Finish?
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Evelyn Mercado.
Really single?
Yes,
Do you have close boyfriend?
I have no.
Have you been a domestic helper?
Yes.
Where?
I don't have any experience, ma'am.
How about you, Philippines?
Also here in Philippines, I don't have any experience. But since I am the eldest, I know I can do the household duties.
Like cooking,
Like
washing?
Cooking, washing, cleaning the house, and make grocery, then washing the dishes, and cleaning all the surroundings of the house.
How about taking care of newborn baby?
I have an experience for taking care of baby because I have a niece and nephew for 3 years old and 5 years old, and I am the one who took care of them while their mother is in working.
But not baby, not newborn, is it?
No
You
baby.
don't know how to change the diapers?
I know, ma'am.
How about...
I know how to take care of them, like taking a bath, then feed them, prepare for their meals, then changing their clothes, and then changing their diaper if they need it.
What reason you applied to Hong Kong to work?
Pardon?
What reason you want to apply to Hong Kong? What reason? Why you want to apply to Hong Kong to work?
I want to work in Hong Kong. Aside for my financial needs, I want to experience a new environment and work with different culture and races.
How many years do you wish to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more. It depends on my employer.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
I don't know, ma'am, but I have been willing to learn.
Is there any food you do not eat?
No, ma'am.
You
I
eat
eat.
all?
I eat everything.
I think. Okay. What is your hobbies?
My hobbies is reading books, listening music, and sleeping.
Okay. Will you accept no holiday?
It's okay, ma'am. If my employer requires me to work during holiday, there's no problem.
During the understanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will talk to them, then to know what the problem is. Then if there's something problem with me, I will apologize them. Then I will make the corrective action to do it not again.
Okay. Are you willing to have your hair cut if your employer orders so? Are you willing to have your hair cut if your employer orders
Okay,
so?
no problem.
No problem. Okay, good. Do you know how to take care of elderly?
To taking care, I have no experience, ma'am, but I can do to take good care because of my grandpa and grandmother.
Is there any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. To my future employer, I could say that I am a hardworking, honest, and God-fearing, and very kind person. I hope to see you soon to prove my good qualities. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and may God bless you.